I'm the teacher. I need you on the X, Mrs. White. Mrs. White, I'm not going to repeat myself on the X. Now, I see a bunch of people taking up multiple X's. Is that what the X's are on the floor for? Busy bees? How's with Mr. Tony? I see Rakia is doing exactly what I want. She's occupying one X. I see Kobe doing what I want. He's occupying one X. Kendra's occupying one X. Amirion's occupying one X. Ava's occupying one X. Artico's occupying one X. Rakia has zipper lips. Ava, zipper lips. Everyone occupy their X. One X. Josiah. There's not one X, Josiah. How many X's are we supposed to occupy? One. Okay, Busy Bees, what was the lesson we learned today? What was the lesson that we learned today, Busy Bees? What was the word that Ariel talked about in the story? I see Rakia with her bottom on the X. I see Josiah with his bottom on the X. I see Kobe with his bottom on the X. Busy Bees, I need zipper lips because Rakia is going to tell us about our lesson. Clap one time if you can hear me. Clap 2 times if you can hear me. Clap 3 times if you can hear me. Rakia, what was the lesson we learned about today? Good job. Ava, what was the lesson that we modeled at the beginning of class? How to be what? Compassionate?
Not what me, man. Not what me. Say yes. Coach, let's try yes. Let's try this. Amelia. All right now, go get to bed.
Miriam, you going to the bathroom?
No, he's coming to get his bed.
I see Kendra with the bottom of the X. I see Aaron with the bottom of the X looking at Mr. Tony. I see Josiah looking at Mr. Tony. I see Rakia looking at Mr. Tony.
Kobe. Kobe happy.
Josiah, let White go. Busy bees. We know this is not how we act on the carpet. Aaron.
You know what? I think I'm going to take these X's off tomorrow. Since my busy bees don't know how to occupy one X. One X. One X. Crisscross applesauce looking at Mr. Tony. The lesson we learned today was compassion. Ava, can you come up for a second? We're going to model one more time. So it seems like we did not get the lesson of compassion. We did that too, right? Busy Bees eyes on Mr. Tony, zipper lip, right? If Ava was crying, I want Ava to cry right now. Ava, are you okay? Maybe sometimes you want to give Ava a big hug and be compassionate. That means to be thoughtful and be sincere to Ava. Excuse me? No, I'm having her pretend. Because it seems like no one was paying attention to the lesson this morning that we went over. Because, right, Aaron, we did the same thing this morning. We did the same thing this morning. But I don't know. It's been a long weekend. I know you guys are pretty tired. So, I didn't see much compassion from the Busy Bee room for Mr. Tony or for Miss Ariel. So we don't get our special game today. But you always have tomorrow. And if we're going to talk about it tomorrow. But we got to be more compassionate, Busy Bees. Because we were not very compassionate today. Alright, we're going to get our pants down. Does anyone have to use the bathroom? Raise your hand.
Thank you.
What are they supposed to be doing? What are they doing?
Well, they're about to get the cocktail.
Yeah, that's fine. We can't, like, we don't have to just let them sit. Sing a song while they're waiting, and
All right, BCBs.
then as they're called.
Josiah. Everyone spread out. Come on, legs.
Sit up on your
Legs like this. BCBs. Aaron, you gonna stretch with us? Okay. All right. Hands in the air. Hands on your foot. Who's gonna count?